How's it going? Let me know if you have any questions, alright? What? Are you saying words? What's going on here? LOL. Are you hurt? Are you okay? Dude, I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't know what to do here. Based in the United States, I have been an eBay member since 3 hours ago. Ah, there it is. Well, I mean, if you have any questions, I'm here. Oh, or you can just keep walking into the wall. That's helpful. Ah. No one waves like that. How relatable was that intro though? That's a doozer right there. I don't think that's an industry term. Hello, welcome to the video. Thanks for taking the time out of your day to watch me ramble and unbox things. Welcome back, pals. Appreciate you. Big time. Like this much. Shout out Zeros for the cool shirt. I bought it. They didn't give it to me, I bought it. But shout out Zeros because it's a really cool place. Here's me. This is me, my info. You can follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and my website is up here in this little eye thing, and there's the name of it right there too. And you can probably find it down below as well. Today, whoa, this might go down as one of my favorites. I'm extremely unprepared for this video. There's a lot of things to open, and I'm very excited about each and every one of them. So let's hop to it. So this first one comes to us from the Obvious Marking Box Company. A little bit of a story behind this one. So I'm walking into Home Depot last week sometime. Something pops up on my phone. It's a Snkrs thing, and it says exclusive access. And I'm like, it's probably something stupid like a GR Jordan 6 or something like that. Apparently, Jeff Staple and Nike got together and said, hey, I want to be able to select a few people that tried for the black pigeons last year and give them access to the new panda pigeon that's coming out. It's the first time I've ever gotten access to anything. Like, I went and picked this up at UPS like 20 minutes ago. Like, I am not wasting my time with this one. I am extremely excited about this. This is my first time seeing these in hand. I was not a huge fan of the black pigeons, so I'm not mad that I missed out on those, but the fact that I missed out on those to get these is just, it blows my mind. Oh, holy smokes! Look at that pigeon! Ah, this is obviously the Panda Pigeon Dunk. The bottom is icy, and it has pictures from the sneaker riot from the original Pigeon release. I am super stoked on these. The reason I'm really digging on these is because of the color blocking. That's why I didn't like the black pigeons. This is to me what dunks are. Like, color blocked, not too simple, not too crazy. I can't believe that they went with the sample thing on the inside there. I think that is so cool. Lace bags attached, a new thing Nike SB is doing lately. I'm gonna be putting the green laces on these. As a matter of fact, just so you guys can see, this is happening right now. Boom. Lace bags are now attached because these are going on my feet, like regardless. I have another pair, it's downstairs. I'm not even gonna bother unboxing it. I bought it on StockX. I bought it for $375 plus shipping because I was afraid that I wasn't gonna be able to get a pair. And I didn't know what the prices are gonna be. In hindsight, it was kind of a dumb investment. Whatever, I don't care. Regardless, I'm very happy to have these in my possession in my size. This is the Nike collaboration with Staple Pigeon on the Panda Pigeon Dunk. And the hits keep on coming. No one says that. This next thing is a gigantic box that's the size of a casket. I got this from someone that I've done tons of business and will continue to do business with. You know him, you love him. If you don't know who this is, then you haven't watched my channel. This is a big old box from good friend, awesome human being, the Droner. We made a pretty blockbuster trade. I don't like doing trades, but I like doing trades with this fella because he is fair. He's just a good guy to do business with. And he's an awesome person too. He's a great human being. Make sure you follow him on Twitter. His information will be up on the screen right now. His handle is @DroneKicks on Twitter. Just a phenomenal dude. Always has crazy awesome inventory for sale. Gets his hands on a lot of early stuff. All right. This box is humongous. I'm gonna put it down. So there's 5 pairs of sneakers in here. I'm not gonna get into what I traded and what the trade stuff was, but just know that I don't like doing trades, but I like doing trades with this fella. So this is the first thing out. You can tell by the box. Nike swoosh. It's an Off-White collaboration. There's another Off-White in here, so I don't know which one it is. This is a size 11. Is it the Blazer? So this is from the All Hallows Eve collaboration release from around Halloween. This is the vanilla, I don't even know what you would call it. I've been calling it a creamsicle blazer just because of the colorway. The brown is more of like an ale brown, a little bit darker than I expected. I'm not a huge fan of blazers. They feel to me just like a chunkier version of a Chuck Taylor. But this is a nice colorway. I don't know if I'm gonna be holding these or I don't know, but these are really, really nice. I hadn't seen these in hand yet, so can't say I dislike them. Cool. So that's the first thing out from the Droner, the Off-White Nike Blazer Mid Creamsicle is what I've been calling it. 1 down, 4 to go. This next one, as you can tell from the box, is Pow. It's an Air Jordan 1. So this is a collaboration with a designer named Alayli May. It does a lot of stuff with Louis Vuitton, buddies with Virgil Abloh. It's a satin and corduroy version of a Shadow 1. This is the Alayli May Air Jordan 1, released, I want to say, shade over a year ago. I have my personal pair right back here. So these are either a backup or going to be for sale. There's just a lot of materials going on in this shoe. The gray is all satin. I don't know if it's going to pick it up, but this black is corduroy. The swoosh is like terry cloth material, which is really awesome. These are, in my opinion, one of the most underrated releases. I just remember a lot of people were sleeping on these. I love this pair. So that's pair number 2, the Alayli May Jordan 1 Satin Shadow is sometimes what it's referred to as. The next pair out is, as you can tell, also a Jordan 1. This is also a pair I already have, but it's nice to have a backup or I may sell it. I don't really know. But is the very, very sought after Air Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard 1.0. This shoe pretty much started the whole trend of doing like crazy premium leather with the color blocking like this. It inspired the bread toe for sure, and now they're doing a whole bunch of stuff like that. But this is the original one. It came out in 2015. The value on these just skyrocketed because the leather is so soft on these. I love the colorway, and it has nothing to do with being a Browns fan. I just really like orange. I mean, I like the Danny Supas. There's orange on there. Yeah, the Oompa Loompas have orange on them. Like, I like the Shattered Backboards. There's orange on there. Just a big fan of orange. Really, really cool sneaker. That is sneaker 3 of 5. That is out of the way now. Another one that comes out, this one you'll know by the box. I have not seen these in hand. I am extremely looking forward to seeing what these are all about. It is a Nike Air Jordan 1. You can tell by the box, it's a mishmash of 2 kinds of boxes. Dang. So this is the Nike Air Jordan collaboration with Union LA on a black toe. It's kind of like a deconstructed, reconstructed kind of theme going on. You can see the tongue is deconstructed like on the Off-Whites. I don't really know what the deal with these was. I wasn't super feeling them, but oh man am I now. But I didn't realize that the inside of the leather is a different color. That's a really nice touch. The swoosh is suede. The midsole is more of a sail colorway, so it looks like it's an aged 1985 Jordan 1. Wow, these are really, really nice. I did not expect these to be this awesome, but they are. It's the Jordan 1 Union collaboration on the black toe one. I should have read up on these more because I look like a fool right now. These are really impressive. And finally, the last shoe out. Remember earlier when I said Drone gets his hands on a couple early pairs? This is a pair that was supposed to release, but got pushed back. Now, as you guys know, probably from my collection, that I'm a big fan of runners, including the Air Max 90 and the Air Max 1. This is the all black and cone Virgil Abloh collaboration on an Air Max 90. Wow. The mudguard is nubuck. There's suede on the side panel that goes all the way up. This is a less deconstructed version of the 90 that came out, it looks like. This is impressive. These got pushed back to February 7th on the release. They're also releasing a Desert Ore one that's like, kind of almost like the same colorway as the Blazers that were the first one out. These, I'm shocked. I don't generally like all black or mostly black colorway. The materials on this are crazy. The toe box. Look at the material on that. Is it gonna pick it up? This is awesome. These are really impressive too. Holy, holy moly. So that's the last of this drone box. Nike Air Max 90 release that is not out yet. So that's the stuff I got from the droner and from Nike. There's really not much else to go on this video. The only reason I made this video is because I wanted to open these things and see them, especially the pigeons and especially the stuff from the droner. So I keep on calling him droner. Be sure to follow @DroneKicks on Twitter. Really good dude. Thank you, my friend. I sincerely appreciate it. I hope you know that I'm looking at you right now and saying this. Even packed it really nicely. Woof, this is awesome. Real quick, some plug-a-plugs. Brick66 is going on right now on my eBay page. You can find the link down below in the description. A couple things have sold as buy it now, but most of the auctions are still going. Check them out. It's probably 30-some pairs right now. And you can check out the website, ransomnotesneakers.com. We'll be updating this Friday at 6 o'clock p.m. with some stuff from the last live beater box and some other things I don't really know yet. Thank you so much, Drone. Thank you, viewer. I appreciate your time. I'll be back with some beater boxes going on. There's 2 beater boxes just chilling right over in my corner, so we're gonna open those soon. So see you next time. Till then, take care of each other, and remember, if you're not having fun doing it, find something you love doing and do that, because you should be happy. I would love to see that, and I'm sure you would too. Bye now.